Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. What do you have planned for this one?
This one is going to be a little baby pleat for a baby shirt.
Baby pleat for a baby shirt.
That's it.
It is freezing cold out here, people. But we are going to make do. Hopefully make you a wonderful tie-dye tee.
Or your child.
Yeah, or a child, a little tie-dye tee. We're going to make a wonderful tie-dye. That's the moral of the story. Sorry for the audio issues last week. Hopefully we got those worked out. We got a new audio set up.
Yeah,
Still
we're
working out the kinks.
Working out with new equipment, so y'all bear with us.
Yeah, hopefully all that's fixed and we'll have some premium sound.
And as soon as we get our, what is it called, income tax return? When we get our tax return, we're going to start a store. I'm not sure which e-commerce site we're going to go with yet, but we're looking into our options. And that will be coming, I'd say it'll be here by about May.
Yeah,
for sure.
And you know, Etsy's never been our primary place to get rid of these shirts, but we want to make a online place that's a little more centralized. Keep everything in one place and somewhere where we can send people to buy them where we don't have to pay such an exorbitant fee.
Yeah, and having our own domain was kind of something we've always wanted. Just we never knew if this was going to pan out, and
since it's picked up a little steam, we're gonna continue to put into it. So
yeah,
we'll see how it goes. We just thank everyone for watching these videos.
We do. We love you guys.
Got it all good and banded up.
Okay.
Looking nice.
I think we're ready. Here, pull this a little bit more towards me.
Do what?
Push this towards me a little bit more.
Oh, the whole thing?
Yeah. Push it towards me. I don't want to pull the pole out. Thank you. There we go.
Is that better?
Much better.
We'll slide them all back.
Now I'm not, you know.
It isn't too much better now because the dye's not really going to run down the tube. It doesn't fill it up enough for that to happen. So, all it really matters when we're rinsing. That's when it's crucial.
Let's do like, you do like a hot pink.
Hot pink. Beautiful hot pink. The little wig-wag zigzag.
That's what we're going for.
Oh yeah.
And we could do a little lemon.
Lemon yellow.
Oh, having a little bit.
That one's already been cut.
No.
Oh yeah, those were the super clear ones. Remember we used to poke them instead of cut them. We used to just enlarge them with a like a router bit. Probably should have continued doing that, but hey, it's all good. All good. Super clear, man. Thick, boy. Told you, I got a couple of them good and thick.
Do you see that?
Look at that. Chalky thick.
I know. That's okay though.
Gotta shake it. Gotta shake it like a Polaroid picture. You know what to do. isn't it?
I think I kind of want to leave it like that.
Just 2 colors.
What do you think? I'll fill the rest in with yellow. How about that?
Yeah, just something, you know. A little more hot pink maybe, get a better gradient going on.
Okay.
That way we'll get some oranges in there and whatnot.
That's what I was going for.
Sorry about the wind there, people. It is very windy out here today. We do have our fuzz on, but I don't know how effective it is. Look at that beautiful, beautiful tie-dye. So all told on this one, we have hot pink and lemon yellow. Beautiful color combination. It's going to make a beautiful, beautiful tie-dye t-shirt. Beautiful. Wow, that thing really does look pretty good. We had regular lemon up yellow over there as well, you know.
Well, it's done with now.
I guess so. To the drying rack.
What's that?
Bottom shelf where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.